Hey, I'm Caleb with YouCanMakeThisToo. Thank you for joining me. Today is a quick tip video on flattening waterstones. I can't take credit for this idea. This is something I saw Chris Wars do, I believe, and it's working great, so I just wanted to share it with you. Now, waterstones are one of the ways you can sharpen your chisels and plane irons and whatnot. The problem is most of them are narrower than the stone, and so because the waterstone is really soft, it doesn't stay flat. You'll, dish it out, and basically, how do you get a straight flat edge on your iron or chisel if the thing you're sharpening against isn't flat? Obviously, that's a problem. Now, I've never flattened these even after I bought them, and I've been struggling sharpening, and I finally decided maybe if I actually flatten my stones, I'll get better results. So the setup here is just a granite tile, and these are made almost the same way like the expensive granite blocks and marble blocks are made, but this thing only costs $5, whereas those, I'd like to have one, but they're a lot more expensive. And then I got some wet dry sandpaper at 1500 grit, but this was taking way too long, so I just used some of my regular 220. I already did one side, and I thought it was fairly flat, but it was not. It took me a lot of work. I wish I had a picture of this, but I wasn't thinking that far ahead. This is my 8000 side. So all I did is stuck some 220 regular sandpaper. I got it really wet, and then you just flatten. So just a few dollars for a quick setup to flatten your waterstones. If you use waterstones and you've never flattened them and you're having a hard time getting good results, definitely give this a try. I'm sure it's going to help you out.